Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do sweat-proof summer special makeup. Here I am taking a ice cube in a cotton cloth and rubbing it properly on my face so that it can smoothen out my face and relieve the inflammation on my face. This process reduces the problem of open pores and provide clean and smooth skin for makeup. After it, I am taking a moisturizer for moisturizing my face. Moisturizing is important for everyone. Provide hydration to your skin. Now I am applying primer. This primer is from Mars. Primer is important part of makeup. Before applying foundation, you have to use primer on your face properly. Now I am using Olivia pen stick as my foundation. Now I am filling my eyebrows with light brown color. I'm using a coral shade on my crease area and blending it well with the brush. Now I am placing reddish mauve shade on my eyelid. I'm blending all the colors together so that it looks seamless on eyes. Okay guys, अब blush की बारी है. Now I'm using a hot pink shade as my blush. Blush should be used carefully, otherwise you will become a joker. Now I am using Swiss Beauty Fusion Highlighter in the shade 02. I really love to use highlighter. Apply as much as you want. Now I am using Blue Heaven liquid eyeliner. In summers, आप जितना फ्रेश कलर्स यूज़ करोगे मेकअप में, आप उतना ही सुंदर दिखोगे. I'm using Blue Heaven Lash Twist Mascara. Now using Swiss Beauty Lip Crayon in the shade Lush Pink and mixing a coat of highlighter for getting a desired result. Look, the shade is totally changed. Here is the final result. कमेंट में बोलो कि आपको मेरा ये फ्रेश समर स्पेशल स्वेट प्रूफ मेकअप लुक कैसा लग रहा है। अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना।